Hi and welcome to my channel and my first unboxing. Yeah, I thought I would start with the basic and 1M of Goddess Stories, and the latest one in that series, number 16. Yeah, very nice pink color to the box. Yeah, and on the back you have the rarities. So yeah, I think the highest one is SCR, and then you have GR, SSR, SCR, SR, CR, and R. Yeah, get started of opening. Pretty many cards in this box, so but yeah, many duplicates cards also. So yeah, like, if I don't remember wrong, yes, 30 packs in this. And yeah, I think, like I said in the previous video, I think 5 cards per pack. I will try to do this a bit quicker and do it like this. Open. Yeah, I really like this God of Story cards for several reasons. Yeah, we'll get to that later. Yeah. Yeah, quite a few packs and cards. The only thing I really don't like with this, I would say it's since you get so many cards, you get so many duplicates, especially after you open a few boxes. So yeah. Yeah, let's see here. Let's start with the CR. Yeah, kind of nice foiling to it. They call it shattered glass foil. Yeah, I want to say that I'm not going to talk so much about yeah, different kind of words because my English isn't that great, so I watched other unboxings, and yeah, so I'm mostly just going to show and talk a little. Do first SR. Very nice card, I think. Nice colors. Yeah. See if how many. I opened one box of this series before, and I guess I got lucky because I got 2 SCR cards and 2 GR cards, but what I could understand, there are 2 GRs in every box, so let's see if that's true or not. Yeah, SCR. But I also heard that some don't get any SCRs, so I guess I must have been very lucky to get 2 in one and the same box. So yeah, we see. Yeah, and also one thing about these R cards, you get about half of the R cards you get is from previous series, so it's the 14 since there is no 15. Yeah, it would be fun to know why there was no series 15, because it wasn't that long ago since 14 came out, so there should be a 15, I think. Oh look, the first SSR. Yeah, like the SSR with the gold lines all over the cards. But sometimes they use pretty strange things to put on the cards. Yeah, like, what's the point with the paper airplane? I think they should use more that would be more fitting to the card itself. The stranger thing I seen when I seen others open when they got the gold with the guns and stuff, I don't understand what that have got anything to do with the card. Yeah, that's a nice R card. For an R card, yeah, probably the best one. I think I will do like a few others I seen, pick favorite cards. And yeah, I think I do like that. I will change them out as I go along with the favorites. Yeah, so of course it's favorite one, only one, but yeah, I will change. Yeah, this one even better, I think. I like the more color more on that, but yeah, I think that. Oh, duplicate already on the SR. Yeah, that. But yeah, that's expected since, yeah, so many cards, so yeah, there are many duplicates, especially with the R's. One SCR, yeah, I think that's better one. That's a nice one. Yeah, that's better, I think. I noticed I was on yeah, booked a table to sell some stuff at a retro convention a few months ago, and I brought a few God of Story boxes to sell, but yeah, apparently not many in Sweden knows about these cards, or at least not collecting, because I don't think anyone at the convention had any idea what the boxes was. And that's a nice one, but yeah, I like that one better. So maybe not many collectors in Sweden, and as far as I know, I'm the first one that doing unboxing of these cards. Yeah, that's a nice one. Even though it's not the most colorful, I really like the outfit on that one. Yeah, I think I like this better. Many cards look kind of similar, but I think this one stands out a little bit more from the other CRs, so that one, I like that one a bit more. Yeah, I think I like that one better. Yeah, I think that's a duplicate also. Yes, soon halfway. Yeah. Yeah, I don't like the card, but yeah, it's a bit sad looking, and I feel this shouldn't look sad, it should look more happy. Yeah, I hope you like and subscribe, and yeah, I will try to come out with new videos as we go along, and yeah, hopefully you comment and say what you like and don't like, and with my videos and the cards, and what yeah, comment what you think about these kind of cards, and yeah, about the hobby of collecting them and such. And yeah, I can take requests of what you want to see me unbox on my channel. I have quite a few different cards, but I'm sorry that my knowledge of the Waifu cards and different series and games and such that the cards come from, and the characters and such, my knowledge is very limited, and also, like I said, my English isn't the greatest, so yeah, I hope you bear with me anyway and have understanding for that. But I try my best, and hope you like my content. I try to speed it up a little, especially on the R1s, CRs. Oh yeah, this was very nice one. Yeah, really like that one. Might be my favorite one if I don't get another better hit or something. No hit yet. Except the SSR. Yeah, nice one. Yeah, I kind of think these are hits in the M1 also, since you don't get a lot of them per box. But I think I got extremely low amount of these cards, and no super hit. Yeah, here's the first one. Not sure if I have this one. Don't remember which of them I got in my first box. I hope I get another CR, that would be fun. But not many packs left, so yeah, it got very late. Probably won't get another one. Yeah, this one was very nice. Yeah, this is probably going to be my favorite card in the box, I think. It is, as far as now anyway. Angel one? I think better than that one. Don't think I will get any SCR this time. Another GR. Which one is better? Yeah, the other one is better, I think. Yeah, last pack. I don't think I've gotten this one in here. That's strange. But like this one 3 or 4 times before. This one I'm not sure if I got either, but yeah. Lost SR. So no SCR this time, but yeah. 2 GRs, and yeah, like I said, this is the favorite one. Yeah, and also one of the better things about the Goddess story, I think, is this. You see what series is from, and yeah, it would be nice. I hope it could be fun if they do a series in English, so you would understand what this says. That could be fun. Yeah, that probably won't happen. I see in the little English you see is on the Waifu cards, mostly wrong translated and stuff. Yeah, this is the M116 or 1M16. So yeah, you see, you get a lot of the R cards, and about half is from the 1M14 and half 1M16, and pretty many of the CRs and SRs, but yeah, very few, only 3 SCRs, not that many. Yeah, 6 SSR. Not sure if that's normal. I think it is, but yeah. Yeah, that's it for this. I'm not completely sure what I will unbox next, but yeah, let's see. Thank you. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.